Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. Today, the discussion is Kitchen 101 and seating. So seating is something that is definitely overlooked in a lot of planning of kitchen design. And we wanted to offer you some suggestions on seating options because most of the time people are thinking cabinets, countertops in a kitchen, but seating is so important. So let's
Hit It.
hit it.
So one option that has actually been around for many, many years is banquette seating, which is basically a built-in bench along the wall. It can seat many people. You can even have hidden storage like roll-out drawers, or the top can flip up. And the shape actually can be an L shape, a U shape. We even built a bay window with banquette seating. What's really cool about that is that it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it provides extra overflow seating for a house.
It looks like furniture.
And it can look like furniture, exactly.
So another option for seating is the traditional freestanding table. So if you have a family that likes to eat together and you're not eating on the run all the time, then a freestanding table is definitely the way to go. And in some cases, you can have the bar stools on an island and the freestanding table because that's great for overflow seating if you're entertaining, you have a lot of people over. But the freestanding table is always a good go-to for gatherings.
So another option, of course, is peninsula seating. What's really good about that is, unlike an island where you have to have clearance on all four sides, with a peninsula, it's really more just one side. And you can have an overhang on the peninsula so that the seats can slide in under if it's a really busy walkway. And also, it's cabinetry. So it serves a purpose of a serving area for a top, cabinetry for storage, and extra seating. And people love to eat breakfast and do homework at a peninsula.
I like a peninsula.
So therefore, we like a peninsula.
Another option for seating is an extension off of the island or even a table that is a drop down from the island. So it's very nice looking and it's intentional, it's cozy looking instead of just the island itself. So you can do a drop down, which also allows for a little extra seating on either side and all the way on one side. And then there's also an area for prepping for the cook, and then there's an area for seating for the people who get to eat what the cook is making. So just another idea that looks really beautiful and very intentional.
So one thing to also consider is elbow room. You do not want to have so many chairs squeezed together to where it's almost uncomfortable to sit. It may look like 3 or 4 or 6 chairs or bar stools will work, but elbow room is very important. Personally, I need my space when I'm eating.
So true.
So it's important to think of those things. It's just something that gets overlooked a lot of times on a drawing. So you got to think about it when you're actually putting it together and have that space in between each chair.
Yeah, Mike likes his space.
I like my space.
Yeah.
So really, when it comes to seating, the possibilities are endless.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, pictures and videos, all that helps, but you really have to think about how you eat as a family. Does everyone eat together? Do you have a bunch of people over all the time? Are you the house that entertains all the time? So you have to take all of those things into consideration when thinking about how much seating you want and where that seating is located.
And how you want it to look and flow all together. So you don't need to be a Pinterest coming out of, you want to take it off of a Pinterest picture, which is great for inspiration, but you really, like Mike said, you have to think about how do you live? How do you function every day in a kitchen? It all is all in the plan.
It's all in the plan.
Yeah. So thanks for watching today, and we hope you learned something new for your future kitchen remodel, and give us a call if you want one.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye.